Greetings, everyone. Hope everyone is having a great day. This is day 47 of my .NET and day 2 of my .NET MAUI Learning Challenge. And in this series, I'm building a full-scale music player application. Last day, I only created a boring gradient-based background for the application. And hopefully today, I'll be able to move faster. So stay with me and let's get started. So unlike last day, where I pretty much added a basic background with the gradient and hello world, which is barely visible. So today we will actually have to add some of these stuff, like these buttons and everything. So I hope I will be able to add these, but before that I have one more concern, which is that, see, I have 63 files and 885 changes, so probably I'll need to add a git ignore. So I already searched it up, and this is the standard git ignore for Maui project, it seems. So what I have to do is I put this in here. I open a terminal, and I need to create a git ignore, and I have to edit this, paste all that, and Command X. No, 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 no. Actually, no. Cancel. Command O. That is it. So we can see now it's only 63 files, I guess. So that's great. So my first course of action should be I have to export all the assets from here. So I click export and then this one, and here I get a zip file. So what I can do is I open my resources, because that's where we can access the images, and move it here, and yeah, so we extract the folder and then cut everything, paste it here, actually copy. I don't know why I'm using Windows commands here. So for some reason this only copied, I guess, the, oh sorry, that's my that's my assignment. I was studying in university, so pardon me guys. And I have to export these two as well. So export, and this time I guess this will be different. Yeah, these are the play pause buttons, so I might move these as well here. And what I have to do is, let's see if I can import it in the main page. So let me try image, and then okay, image property, image Maui. So go to here, source, and paste it here, copy the whole thing, and like this. Oh, and I will also need to wrap this into something, so, or else it's gonna show me. I don't know why it's showing the image though. It shouldn't have been. That's good that it's showing something. So didn't work for some reason. Well, we'll check that out, why it didn't work. So I have built this top part. Although this is not button, I have to figure out how to make this a custom button, icon button. But it didn't take as much effort I thought it would be. So all I can tell is this XML approach is very much opinionated actually. So in web we can we can align stuff in various ways like flex, grid, all these options, but they're very strict about what we can do as far as I am understanding. So I tried to use stack layout before, but there are very specific options. So if I really want these things like flex, space between, and all those stuff, probably I need to use grid, which is probably a good thing to keep not too many options. But I don't know. We'll see in the future. Layout I've built for playing and pausing the video. So this is the next part of the layout. And I would say layouting stuff in .NET MAUI is not very difficult. It's actually very convenient to use grid. However, I'm a little concerned about the customizability. For example, I added this slider here and I was looking for how can I decrease the thumb or something. So then I was searching everyone or I was not finding anywhere, and then ChatGPT is saying that I need to create a whole custom component for this just to change this. This is a concern, but I guess that's more rather than Maui. It's because of the platform, because different platform has different default sizes. So, and one of the concern is that you can see these big buttons, like crazy, these big codes. I wanted to add a little ripple effect here. So, but for this, I need to add like these big codes here. I need to had to add Visual State Manager and everything, which basically took me 20 minutes just to figure out how to change the background color based on input response. So I need to next thing I need to do is probably make this as a reusable component. So that is my refactored code here. As you can see, I have removed the button implementation from here, and as this is partial, I have moved this to a separate component. So now the icon button is a separate individual component. However, look at this. Just to pass one single icon string, that is one hell of a code just to pass one property. So I hope I can find better solutions just to do this, because we're gonna have to do a lot more than that. We're gonna have to register on click event, which I yet don't know how to do. And we're gonna have to manage the states of play and pause buttons. But I hope everything will go alright. But one thing I want to mention that the the hot reload functionality here, it it doesn't work for everything, but when it works really fast, which is a very good thing. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today I have learned how to use the layouts, a kind of learn, and how to how to implement icon buttons, and how to make independent components, how to separate out UI components from the UI. And I use slider, so I just got used to with the workflow. Thank you so much for watching.